Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. Today's video I'll be sharing 3 ideas of home decor that you can use to elevate your home. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. For the first idea, we'll be using 2 of those vases and 2 of those candle holders. First, I'll go ahead and take the vases out to spray paint them with this gold metallic paint. Once they were dry, I took them back inside and I'll go ahead and use some All Adhesive as well as some hot glue to glue those pieces together. I then repeated that same step for the second one. Once they were glued together, I took some acrylic gems and I'll go ahead and add them where the 2 pieces meet. This is a different level of elegance and I am loving it. For the second idea, I'll go ahead and start with those white pillars. I'll go ahead and paint them with black acrylic paint. Save some time, you can always go ahead and use spray paint, but I wanted to use acrylic paint just to see the difference. That same step for the second one and allow them to dry. Of this idea, I'll go ahead and spray paint those little bottles gold. Once everything was dry, I took the pillars and the bottles and I'll go ahead and glue the bottle on top of a pillar. Just like that, we have ourselves a really simple home decor. And for the last idea, I'll go ahead and use those two bowls. I'll spray paint the inside of the larger bowl in gold, and then the remaining will be black. I'll go ahead and also use those little mini cabinet doorknobs, and I'll go ahead and spray paint them gold. Once everything was dry, I took them inside and I'll go ahead and glue the two bowls together. The contrast of the gold and the black is so beautiful. Next, I took the knobs and I'll go ahead and glue them around the bowl. And at last, we have ourselves a really chic and elegant table centerpiece. And just like that, we have ourselves 3 brand new ideas that we can definitely go ahead and use to decorate our home. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful, learned a few things here and there, and if so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects, and comment down below which idea was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.